si Beth Nazario, a retired employee of Manila City Hall. I am a devotee of the Miraculous Medal. Every year po yan, tuwing November 27, pag-feast, talaga pong nagpapamisa po ako sa mga siguro 30 or 50 friends. Pinamimigay ko po yun. So every year, nire-renew ko yun. Ganun po ako talaga kaano sa kanya because so many things happen in my life that she has guided me and several miracles happened to me. And hanggang ngayon, nakatayo pa po at kakwentuhan ka po. Sobrang ano po namin magkakapatid sa Miraculous Med. The sister ko, she had 3 miscarriages already. Nahihirapan po siya talagang magbuntis. Ngayon po, they had a novena here. Kaibigan po kasi namin din si Father Joel Descover. So inano po niya na, Ate Day, mag-novena kayo sa Miraculous Medal. So they did. And they were given a child, babae po. And kapalit po noon, dahil milagro nga po yun na pagkakaroon namin ng pamangkin na babae. They named her as Rose Feliz Catherine Edihay para po kay Saint Catherine po na tumulong para siguro mabigyan din sila ng baby. Now she is an architect graduate. Graduate lang po niya noong July 27. Kami pong magkakapatid, 3 po kami magkakapatid na babae. Sobra pong ano namin sa Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. Danadala pa po siya, O Mary conceived without sin, pray for us to have recourse to thee.